Hi there, I hope you're doing great. I've prepared a short, information-packed little yoga tutorial for you today to help you master what I consider to be a very important beginner-level flow. The powerful combination of yoga poses that you'll learn are designed to help rev up your metabolic rate and provide muscle toning benefits for your whole body, all while improving your posture, releasing stress, and increasing your flexibility. I hope you enjoy it. Keep the shoulders relaxed, and with a big breath in, stretch the arms up overhead. Keep the abdominals nice and firm and the shoulders relaxed. Breathe out and fold forward over the legs, bending the knees as much as you have to really relax through the spine, the neck, the arms. You do not have to touch the floor in this one. Bring your hands to your shins, up above the knees, and right onto the thighs for a flat back. Abdominals really supporting the lower back here. We should be able to balance a cup of tea on that lower back. Head in line with spine. Fold forward, bending the knees as much as you have to plant the hands down, and carefully step back to a plank from the knees. So instead of tilting the hips up to the sky, try and tuck the bum under to really draw all the abdominal muscles up and in towards the spine. Our wrists directly underneath the armpits. Slowly bend the elbows and lower all the way down to your belly, lengthening the legs out long behind you and pressing the tops of the feet down into the floor. Cobra. Pinch the shoulder blades together and start to peel the chest up off the mat. You should be able to hover your hands in this one. All of the strength is coming from the muscles in your back. Now if you need help pressing up, tilt the hips up to the sky first and then push back into child's pose. Let the elbows be soft in our child's pose and all of the weight shifting back towards the heels. You can always stay in child's pose during any flow or rise up to all fours, curl the toes under and lift the hips high. Our priority here is lengthening the spine. So nice diagonal line from the wrist all the way up to the tailbone. Keep the knees soft if you feel a lot of tension in the hamstrings, or if the back is round because the legs are a little too stiff. So soft knees and heels relaxed. Now walk little baby steps all the way up to your hands and fold forward over the legs. Take as long as you need with that transition. Lengthen the spine and breathe in to circle the arms up overhead. Breathing out to bring our hands down through heart center. Flow level 1, nice work.